Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia Z5 Premium, and let me share with you how to manage Google account on this device. So basically, first of all, how to add it and then how to remove it. So first of all, let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down until we will find the accounts and services section. As you can see on the first position, we've got accounts and sync, and of course under it we've got the whole Google section, and you can add or remove a Google account using it, obviously, but I personally prefer to do it using accounts and sync. So let me tap on it, and here we have to simply tap on add account. Choose Google, obviously. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, so you can use either mobile data or the Wi-Fi connection. And here from this tab we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. What's more, you do not have to put the full email address with the @ and the end. Simply the first part of it before the @ symbol, and your device will just fill the rest, of course, if it is a Google account, I mean Gmail account. And right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, so let's tap on next. Here we've got some information about the backup, so you can decide if you want to turn it on or off. I don't want to turn it on right now, so simply let me tap on it, but I highly recommend to tap on to enable the backup. Right here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, simply tap on it, and here you will have all the info if it will be loaded, of course. So let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got some information about the backup and storage, so just simply scroll down and tap on accept. And as you can see here, we've got our Google account, which we've just added. So that's quite simple. Even simpler is the removing the account. So let's simply tap on it. If you want to remove it, tap on the 3 dots icon and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. If you are sure, tap on OK. And if you've got a pattern or a PIN, and then enter it, because your device will require you to do it in order to confirm the whole step. Okay, let's get back. And as you can see, this list is empty, which means that we just successfully removed our account. So actually this is it. This is how to manage Google account in your SONY Xperia Z5 Premium. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.